Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix pink shade high using front camera on iPhone after iOS 18 update. Without wasting any time, let's start this video. Solution number 1, make sure that you are not using any filter. Tap on camera app and tap on filters in the upper right corner. Make sure that you are selected original and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying this solution number 2. Solution number 2 is check and adjust your color filter settings. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Tap on accessibility. Tap on display and text size. You can see appears on screen. Turn off increase contrast and scroll down and filter. Tap on filter and turn it off. Go back and turn off reduce white point and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying this solution number 3. Solution number 3 is start your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button and wait 5 to 10 seconds and starting your iPhone and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying this solution number 4. Solution number 4 is check iOS update. Tap on setting app, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending, download and install the update and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is reset all settings. Tap on setting app, tap on general, scroll up, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset setting, tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode. You can see appears on screen. Reset all settings. This will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted. Tap on reset all settings to confirm this action and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact whisper.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix pink shade high using front camera on iPhone after iOS 18 update is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.